Hello students, today we are going to discuss another method of separation of different components from a mixture of solid in liquid. So, in the last class we have discussed the first method, that is sedimentation and decantation, to separate the components from a solid liquid mixture. Similarly, today again we are going to discuss a new method, that is filtration. Open your book, page number 42. Your second method, that is filtration. So, filtration is a process we know because it is a separation. We are now discussing about different methods of separation. So, it is a process of separation. In this process, by filtering we can separate the components. So, if we are discussing about the definition is like that. It is the process of removing an insoluble substance from a liquid, because solid and liquid mixtures is that in which there is a mixture of there is a liquid, we have to add solid, so that is a solid liquid mixture. So, an insoluble substance, that is solid, from a liquid, how we will separate, how we will remove? By allowing it to pass through a filter paper. I have already said that by filtering we can separate, that is filtration process. So, by the use of filter paper we can separate the insoluble substance from a liquid. How? By allowing it to pass through that paper, a filter paper. Not only a filter paper, but also a muslin cloth also we used to separate, that is also a filtration process. So, normally the filtration process is the process of removing an insoluble substance from a liquid by allowing it to pass through a filter paper or muslin cloth. Filtration is used in our homes as well as in laboratories and industries also. How? In home, separation of starch water from cooked rice. After cook the rice, the separation of starch water, that there is water, no, if we will separate, that is also a filtration process, that is done by filtration. Not only that, but also purification of water for drinking purpose, we also use filtration. By the help of filtration process we can get purification of drinking water by the purification of water. In our daily life, river or lake water is also there. River or lake water is passed over layers of sand and other materials also. So, to filter out that suspended particles, before the water is sent through pipes to our homes, because supply water may it most of the time, that is river or lake water. So, river or lake water, we can separate the suspended particles from that water by this filtration process, and after that the water is sent through pipes to our homes, through different homes. Okay, in this way the application of filtration process in our daily life we can see. So, by the help of muslin cloth, I have said muslin cloth. So, the process of filtration has been used to obtain pure water. In this case, a muslin cloth is used as a filter. Here you can see this is a container, that is pitcher, from a pipe or tap, water is coming out. This is muslin cloth, so it is going through, allowing it to pass through muslin cloth to get pure water. Okay, in this way we can obtain pure water by the use of muslin cloth, that is filtration process. Okay, and we have already known not only muslin cloth but also filter paper is also used. Filter paper most of the time used in laboratories and industries. So laboratories, how it will used. Open your book, page number 43. There is an experiment 2 above that books is given. Filter paper is used here. This is filter paper to get water from the mixture of sand and water. This is a solid and liquid mixture because sand is solid and water is liquid. So by the help of filter paper, we can separate the insoluble substance, that is your sand, and we can get clear water. So in this way, filter paper we can use to remove insoluble substance from a liquid. Okay, so filter paper how we will use? Here it is used, but how we, there is a filter paper, then how we use to get pure water? So now we are going to discuss. Filter paper, most filter paper is in circular shape. So here a filter paper, circular filter paper. First we have to make it semicircle, that is first fold. Only one fold you have to do to make it a semicircle. Then again this semicircle will fold again, that is second fold. Then open the folded paper, because if we convert that, if you fold in to make it a semicircle, that is there is two sides. Then after if we convert that, if you fold that, then there is 4. So how we will open the folded paper in such a way that one fold is on one side only and other 3 folds on the other side. One fold each on one side and 3 folds on the other side, because there are 4 folds. In this way we can fold and make a cone. Then we have to put in that funnel here. Then we will pass through the mixture of, if we allow to pass through this filter paper to mixture of sand and water, then we will get the clear or liquid. Okay, in this way we can use muslin cloth and filter paper to remove insoluble substance from a liquid. So this is a method to separate different components from a solid and liquid mixtures. Thank you, students.